just checking the cyberbullying safety measures sent by the IT club.
Cyberbullying? What is cyberbullying?
Seriously, you don't know what cyberbullying is?
No.
Oh, let me tell about it. Cyberbullying is a use of internet to harass, embrace, or threaten somebody. Like online messages, threats, or rude or aggressive comments come under cyberbullying. So does the posting of personal images, videos designed to embrace somebody else. To give you better clarity on cyberbullying, let us witness a skit.
Okay.
The roles played in the skit are Dakshata as a victim of cyberbullying, Sricharan, father of Dakshata, Chitradurga, mother of Dakshata, Tejasvi, sister of Dakshata, Varsha, member of IT club, Meenakshi, member of IT club in JNV Rangareddy.
I think something is wrong with Lakshada. Probably I should ask her sister Tejasri. Tejasri, beta, idhar aao. Yeah, mom. Do you know what happened to your sister? She seems a little upset today.
No, yeah, someone posted mean comment on her in Facebook. Maybe she's upset about it. I think so.
Is that all? Is that everything?
Yeah, I don't know. You should probably ask her.
Okay, I should talk about this to her father.
Yeah.
Hey, you come here once.
Why did you call me? Is there anything important to discuss?
Yes, actually. You know, today your daughter came back from school very upset and she was angry. I asked her what happened. She did not tell anything. So I asked Tejasri and she told me that there were very upset mean comments of her on Facebook and she is very, very upset. Would you please talk to her?
That's the beta, come here. How are your studies going on?
Yes, Dad, everything okay.
Is there anything bothering you?
No, Dad, there's nothing like
Is everything okay?
Yes, Dad.
Why are you lying, Beta? I know something is bothering you. Tejasri told me everything about the Facebook thing that happened.
Is there anything which is causing you trouble? Please tell us.
Yes, Dad. Actually, someone have edited my profile photo. Yes, Dad. Actually, someone have posted a bad photo of me on my Facebook wall. They've edited my profile photo and posted it. I've been very affected through it, and I thought that you will be angry with me about it.
Beta, we are not angry with you. If you have any problem, you should tell us. First of all, if you ever feel cyberbullied, the first person you should tell is either us, your parents, or your school teachers.
You are thinking that this is the end of your life, but this is not the end of your life. You have to move on. This is just a small catastrophe that you have to face courageously.
Thank you, Mom and Dad, for helping me on this.
For that mean comment, first you have to take screenshot of this so that we will have a proof, and then you should delete it, and then you have to change your privacy settings so that no further comment or any post will there on your page.
Okay, Dad, I'll make sure about it.
Now, Tejasri, do you want to share something about the IT workshop that happened in your Vidyalaya?
Yeah, I'm proud of my school. Our IT club member had said about cyberbullying, and I also explained how to make decision making.
We have already heard about thinking before we speak or thinking before we act upon something. But it's high time we realize that we have to be careful and think before we post something on the internet. It may seem like a trivial matter, but every short thing that we post on the net is there forever, and it has digital footprints and it can't be erased. Every time somebody may comment mean about anybody, which may hurt them or affect the person mentally or psychologically. So we have to refrain from doing such activities.
We are having an IT club in our school, and our students of our Vidyalaya are a part of it. We are very thankful to that IT club because it has helped us in keeping a track on our online activities. It has created an awareness among us about the cyber security. And also it has we have known about the do's and don'ts while using social media, and also the precautions which have to be taken when we are using social media. So we are very thankful to our IT club. I think you got a better understanding on what cyberbullying is. This kid has shared us many insight about the cyberbullying. Can you please share us some learning outcomes which you have gained from this kid?
Yes, I have learned many 21st century skills like digital literacy, decision making, empathy, critical thinking, emotional skills, teamwork, and etc.
Wow, that's great. I thank Kavita ma'am for giving us the opportunity to create an awareness on cybersecurity.